it is stop working go here. So here today I got some boxes here. I got it from today. So this is the same one that I have. So this one from this, or the Trump token right here. I don't know if it's the same thing or not. So I'm gonna do the code for this. I just decided to get this. So let me open it up, put in the code in. It kind of small, but it's not that bad. So remember, I do the Roblox code on mystery box every quarter. So let me scratch. It says, yeah. I had to use my nails. Easier. Actually, I'll be right back. Please, Kenny or something. So back there. So I got a dime, so we're not gonna worry about it. I'm just curious about this a mystery one. It's a two mysteries of the past, so that equals 4. So how about you? I want everybody to get your idea more.
How come you guys are playing Fallout 4 now since I downloaded it? Whoa. What are these, buddy? Snatch these up. No, seriously, what the heck are these? What are these? Baden, what are these? Are these from you?
From the
Yeah, it's hard to
Destiny.
What?
What are these?
That is the bakery stuff. You guys have it in the refrigerator. Hey, I got it scratched because stupid black one here just hard to scratch it. So the code should be used. You can't copy it, it will be used. So I don't care if every YouTuber had the code, it's being used. So I do this with my so AJ.
Who is Destiny talking to?
I'm making a video here.
Okay, but you need to edit it and everything.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she does. You don't include any dialogue. Crap! I realized that I could have been doing a video this one. I haven't made a video in 2 years.
Oh yeah. You can make a video when you can.
Yeah, but I
Yeah, you make a video at a time.
I want to change the. Excuse me. I want to change the name of that YouTube.
See or the open.
I can make a new YouTube
I do.
channel. I think that would be
It's
better
the
because
top
I'm on a
token
YouTube channel called Eagle Killer
from the
Dragon.
Knuckles.
Interesting.
What else did I get?
I had to
What
name it
else?
something, and everyone like, you know what, dragons are cool, and my name's Eagle Killer. Just combine them.
Hold up. This one don't accept the I get it. I got a bracelet and a necklace. So this stuff, I do this count the only hold all my arms, so easier. So that's done too. So I they have all of the and you say 2 mystery box. So I get the codes right here. So let me open this. I got another one right there. So actually curious. I got a code of how I get the candy candy machine? I got this somewhere. I got this. You guys don't know I have that. I got this. So I'll show you how I got this from because I'm to toy is not in the store no more. But I'll show you where is it on here this website. So now we have something like this. It's a these are robot toys store. So we're not gonna worry about it. Oh, my spell anyway. So go by Taylor, Chia, Hanson, Deer. No, that's giraffe. All around every deer, duck, lion, fox. So I'll open this. See, it says 2 mysteries. I get. I hope it's the rare dog because I got it. I gave it away. I should get a key. I got a pig and a panda. It's kind of cute panda. So now a code because here's a paper. A pet. Here. Oh, you're given a nickname too. Cool. You can give him the nickname. That's awesome. Now, how to put this? The code. Okay. Out. The code. I'm going to scratch it. I'll scratch it right now. I was sure to take the pictures from my group. I made this stand for my group. I'll show ya. See? From my group. So, yeah. Alright. So, the next code. My parents would be judged too and say we move wherever. 5 A R Q D C how did Q G so we'll see what I get. What? What did I get? I get nothing? It's so fishy. I will code it, yeah. This is no way. Yeah, I know. How the hey is a refresher. This is no. This is no way. But I got another box. This is no way. That's come on. Where's my stuff? Oh, he's going. Okay. Hey, yo, probably could get fine. What will I get? What? What? Oh, my.
What did you get?
A Pika Fire the Feathers. No joke, favorite. Look. Look. A Pika Fire.
Wow.
Sorry, I showed my first. So I think it's the same thing. Let me take a picture real quick. So by group. Fans, I group will be out. Saving my friend. And I ordered a new pet. Where's the pet? I got a where? I think it's a where. I'll check it. I can't remember. It's called either Firefire. I don't know what it's called, but let's see. I will do this way. Let's make the green one. I like that right better. Me, a mole. Spot. I like this one. I think this is a rare. I'll go say snowy. Snowy kite. That's what I call him. Her actually. Yes, it's a rare. It's a rare. I'm going to take the picture and show my group. They could be jealous. So another gift. They think that, oh yes. Because I want to show moon. What did I get? What did I get? A golden body. But you can't cheat color, it's just gold. That's all. I'm gonna do this style. Let's see. Oh, there. Let's see. Give me my good name. about Gold Genius? That's a good name. A Gold Genius. Will be a rare bunny. So my group, a rare bunny. I had to cut off my thing here because they didn't want to know what my favorite face. So that's all. Yeah. Oh, pick up 2 rares every done. Probably I'll give one for good name for Moon. Probably I'll give him some. The rare pads and the pickup fires. Because he's the one made my intros. So I don't want him to get jealous on me. So of course he's my best friend, but we not met. But we met on Amazon, on Facebook. We met. So let me give the rare for me. I don't really know what it is because I think it's the same toy. Oh, it's over another. Yeah, it's the same thing. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's scratch this baby up. So, anybody want a red pad? You have to talk me and the moon because we don't want to have them. A3 AP 3 UJ B K 9 E9. There you go, yeah. Oh, come on! This is why I want to record this. That is good chocolate milk. Let's see. There we go. So, the gold bunny first. So let me meet the boy bunny. Oh, that's so cute. Let me talk to the moon. I know he's not on, but I'll see what I will talk and go on Apple Champion. Let's see. He was a rare pet so bad. And I should give him a cold. So that's his pet. I'll talk to him and see. While I wait my phone turn on, let's go. I'll show you where the website is. I got it from Amazon. Amazon have everything on this. So Amazon have Amazon toys. Let me check that. They have everything on this. Let me talk to Maria if he's on. So this has everything on here. And we got that here. And I forced that. And we got that. This. They have everything here. Plushies stuff. See the pet toys there. They have everything on here online. You show you the one of the stock here. So yeah, that's where I got it from. So my orders. So I got a card key one playset. I got these three right now. I got all three. And tomorrow I'll get a Pet Wars playset and a raccoon. So this is what I get. So I'm still waiting on Moon Respawn. I should also price him. I'm gonna do the hair. Keep my ears. I'll do that way. Let's do that one. Teeth, no teeth. I'll try no teeth. I want to get him really good teeth. Those. Actually, I want to give him a weird boy's name. Because that was not bad. No. But Joy. Spooky Toy was bad a personal area that football name. That would be rare. What would be a lag a little bit? I love it. Check out my Facebook. Oh, she already do stuff. Let me refresh it. She's still laughing right now. I gotta go to bed. Bye.